Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you all the top tricks about your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro. So at first let's open our application, which is actually the first very top trick, is that we do have the application. And this is very nice actually. So apart from the application, if we enter our headphones itself, here in the sound effects we do have spatial audio. Once we tap in the spatial audio, we can set if it's their fixed or head tracking, or music or movie mode. Here they have equalizers, which is the very nice feature, equalizer. And apart from that, here we have something called custom equalizer. We can either save them to the cloud or just leave them as it is. Of course, they are stored on our device locally, so after we delete our device, they won't be there. Now we can go back, and here we do have controls. We can modify every single control and gesture we do have in these headphones. Here, these are these buttons that we can use, and we can manage left and right. Single press, double press, and triple press. Or, as I can see here, single, double, triple. Apart from that, here if we tap this gear icon, we can see sound modes, and we do have LDAC, which is very nice top trick actually. This is the very nice Bluetooth codec that increases the sound quality in these headphones. Apart from that, here for those with the sound hearing disabilities, we can set more volume levels to left or right. If you want to reset it to the 0, you can tap just this button over here in the top right corner and then yes. Here now you can go back, and actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like on our video. It's very important to us to have your feedback, so if you feel so, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Goodbye.